It's significant that this gift from the Mellon Foundation is allowing us to address both the structure and the story. That is to say, there are funds that will permit Colonial Williamsburg specialists to restore, reconstruct the Bray School structure, and funds that permit William and Mary to advance the research.
The Bray School Lab really is the research home for the Williamsburg Bray School Initiative. It's where we research the history of the Bray School itself, the students and their lived experiences. We're working on descendant research as well. We kind of are the central point of intersection on Bray School research on the campus of William and Mary.
Together, we're working to craft a much more nuanced, much more complex understanding of our nation's history, a history that builds the African American experience into it.